Welcome to Explore English Online. I'm Smith, and today we'll explore AI tools for learning English faster. Millions struggle to speak even when they understand English. AI is changing how we practice and improve. Let's find out how it works in 2026.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. Happy you joined us today. AI tools make learning efficient and enjoyable. They provide real-time feedback and personalized lessons. You can practice anywhere, anytime. Stay with us to discover the best AI strategies.
Many learners face the same challenge: speaking fluently. Understanding English is easier than forming sentences. Your mind may freeze in conversations. AI chatbots simulate real-life interactions. This helps build confidence without stress.
Exactly. Speaking is active. Understanding is passive. AI guides you step by step to improve fluency. It corrects pronunciation instantly and politely. You can practice speaking anytime. Consistency accelerates your progress dramatically.
AI creates personalized learning paths for each user. It identifies weak points and suggests exercises. No more wasting time on irrelevant lessons. Your progress is tracked automatically. This ensures faster and smarter learning.
Absolutely. AI adapts to your pace and interests. It recommends articles, videos, and podcasts you enjoy. Learning becomes fun and motivating every day. Virtual tutors make conversation practice easy. The more you engage, the faster your English improves.
Another benefit is vocabulary expansion. AI apps suggest words based on your reading habits. You see new words in context and remember them better. Flashcards and quizzes reinforce learning. Repetition becomes natural and efficient.
Yes, and pronunciation is improved too. AI listens to your speech and provides corrections. You can imitate native speakers' accents with ease. Speaking exercises become interactive and engaging. This builds confidence in real conversations.
Listening skills improve faster with AI tools. It suggests podcasts and videos suited to your level. You get immediate comprehension feedback. Difficult parts can be repeated until understood. AI adapts materials automatically for your growth.
Exactly. Listening becomes enjoyable and effective. You can practice while commuting or at home. Interactive transcripts help follow every word. AI highlights important expressions and phrases. This builds both comprehension and speaking skills.
AI also helps with grammar improvement. It identifies errors and explains corrections clearly. You learn rules by doing exercises, not memorizing. Mistakes become opportunities to understand better. Feedback is instant and easy to follow.
Absolutely. Grammar practice no longer feels boring. AI provides examples that match your level. It shows patterns and exceptions naturally. You internalize grammar without stress. Progress becomes measurable and motivating.
Time management is easier with AI learning tools. They remind you to practice regularly. You can set daily or weekly goals. AI tracks your learning streaks automatically. Consistency becomes a habit, not a chore.
Yes, motivation stays high with progress tracking. AI rewards achievements with points and badges. Gamification makes learning exciting and fun. You enjoy practicing without feeling pressured. Your English improves naturally over time.
Speaking fluency is boosted with conversation simulators. AI mimics real-life scenarios like ordering food or meetings. You respond and get instant corrections. Mistakes are fixed immediately without embarrassment. This prepares you for real conversations confidently.
Exactly. Virtual tutors make practice interactive. You can choose topics you love to talk about. This keeps learning enjoyable and relevant. You practice speaking without worrying about mistakes. Confidence grows with every AI-guided session.
AI encourages self-paced learning effectively. You progress according to your abilities, not a class schedule. Lessons are customized and flexible. You repeat difficult topics as needed. This personalization maximizes results in less time.
Yes, and learning becomes less stressful and more fun. AI tracks improvement and adjusts difficulty automatically. You feel challenged but never overwhelmed. Your English journey is smooth and engaging. This method ensures continuous growth every day.
Technology also helps with writing skills. AI tools check spelling, grammar, and sentence structure. It suggests better ways to express ideas clearly. You learn to write like a native speaker gradually. Writing becomes interactive and educational.
Absolutely. Writing improvement is effortless with AI. Feedback is constructive and easy to understand. You can practice emails, essays, or chat messages. Corrections are explained in context naturally. Your writing fluency grows alongside speaking and reading.
AI tracks your overall progress in real time. It identifies trends and adapts future lessons. You know exactly what to focus on next. This saves time and effort in learning. Learning becomes targeted and efficient automatically.
Yes, progress tracking is motivating and insightful. AI shows detailed stats for speaking, listening, and writing. You see improvement clearly every week. This encourages consistent practice and growth. Your English learning journey becomes structured and measurable.
Pronunciation practice is easier than ever. AI analyzes your speech and compares it to native speakers. It highlights errors and suggests improvements. You repeat and correct until it sounds natural. This builds clear and confident speech over time.
Exactly. Accent improvement feels natural and guided. You gain confidence speaking in public or online. AI makes pronunciation fun with interactive exercises. It adjusts difficulty based on your performance. Fluency becomes achievable faster than traditional methods.
Learning idioms and expressions is simplified. AI suggests phrases used by native speakers in context. You learn how to use them naturally. Examples and quizzes reinforce understanding. You internalize language patterns faster than memorizing.
Yes, understanding context is key to fluency. AI provides cultural and conversational insights too. You feel more confident using idioms correctly. Practice becomes interactive and memorable. This helps in speaking like a native naturally.
AI helps overcome the fear of speaking. You can practice alone or with virtual tutors. Mistakes are corrected instantly, stress-free. Repetition builds familiarity and confidence. Gradually, speaking becomes natural and fluent.
Exactly. Fear is replaced by excitement and engagement. You practice real-life situations safely and confidently. Feedback is immediate and positive. Every session boosts fluency and self-assurance. You feel ready to communicate anywhere in English.
Vocabulary learning becomes faster and smarter. AI suggests words based on your level and interests. You learn them in context, not by rote. Flashcards and quizzes reinforce memory effectively. This method ensures long-term retention of words.
Absolutely. You also learn phrases and collocations naturally. Interactive exercises make vocabulary practice enjoyable. You remember new words because they are meaningful. AI tracks which words need more review. Your speaking and writing vocabulary expands rapidly.
AI can simulate real-life exams and tests. You practice under conditions similar to the real thing. Feedback highlights your strengths and weaknesses. This helps focus study on areas that need improvement. Preparation becomes strategic and efficient.
Yes, test simulation reduces anxiety and builds confidence. You see progress clearly and understand mistakes. AI adapts questions to your level and performance. Practice becomes consistent, focused, and results-driven. Your English skills improve holistically.
AI also makes learning social and interactive. You can join groups and practice speaking with peers. AI monitors and provides suggestions for improvement. Learning becomes a shared, fun experience. Engagement boosts motivation and fluency simultaneously.
Absolutely. Social learning increases confidence and retention. AI tracks contributions and provides feedback politely. You practice authentic conversations regularly. Motivation stays high with friendly competition. Learning becomes interactive and enjoyable every day.
Time efficiency is a major advantage of AI tools. Lessons are tailored to fit your daily schedule. You can learn any time, even in short sessions. AI maximizes learning in minimal time. This is ideal for busy learners in 2026.
Exactly. Flexible scheduling removes stress from learning. You choose when and how long to practice. AI tracks and optimizes your progress automatically. Consistency becomes easy without pressure. Learning English fits seamlessly into your life.
AI also improves listening comprehension dramatically. It highlights key words and phrases while you listen. Difficult parts can be replayed and explained. You gradually understand native speakers more clearly. Comprehension becomes active, not passive.
Yes, listening exercises are adaptive and interactive. You focus on areas that challenge you most. AI provides context and explanation for tricky sentences. Your brain absorbs English faster naturally. Listening and speaking skills grow simultaneously.
Feedback from AI is immediate and constructive. It points out errors without judgment. You correct mistakes and learn efficiently. Practice becomes meaningful rather than repetitive. Every session builds your confidence and skills.
Absolutely. Constructive feedback is motivating and clear. You understand exactly how to improve each time. AI guides learning without pressure or frustration. You feel progress in every session. Fluency is achieved faster with smart corrections.
AI makes learning fun through gamification. Points, levels, and achievements keep you engaged. You feel motivated to practice every day. Challenges are enjoyable, not stressful. Learning becomes an exciting adventure.
Yes, gamified learning boosts motivation naturally. You enjoy practicing while improving your English. Competition with yourself or others increases engagement. Rewards reinforce progress and consistency. Learning is effective and entertaining at the same time.
AI also personalizes learning for your goals. Whether you want to speak fluently or improve writing, it tailors exercises to meet your objectives. You focus on what matters most. Progress is faster and more meaningful.
Exactly. Learning becomes relevant and goal-oriented. You achieve targets efficiently and confidently. AI adjusts lessons according to your strengths and weaknesses. Every session is productive and valuable. Your English skills grow according to your personal plan.
AI can simulate conversations with native speakers. You practice real-life dialogues in a safe environment. Mistakes are corrected instantly and kindly. Speaking becomes natural and spontaneous. Confidence grows with repeated practice.
Absolutely. Virtual conversations feel realistic. You experience authentic communication scenarios. AI guides you through complex sentences smoothly. Every practice session improves fluency. You become comfortable speaking in any situation.
AI keeps learning structured and consistent. It reminds you to practice and track streaks. You develop habits that last long-term. Consistency ensures better retention. Learning becomes part of your daily routine.
Yes, streaks and reminders motivate you naturally. Daily practice becomes easy and enjoyable. AI ensures learning is continuous and efficient. You see improvement week by week. Your English grows steadily without pressure.
In 2026, learning English with AI is faster than ever. Explore English Online brings the best tools to you. Practice, feedback, and personalized lessons are combined. Fluency, confidence, and comprehension improve naturally. AI transforms your learning journey completely.
Absolutely. AI makes learning enjoyable, flexible, and effective. You can study anywhere, anytime, at your own pace. Mistakes are corrected instantly, making practice stress-free. Consistency and engagement ensure rapid progress. Your English skills reach new heights with AI guidance.